What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Floki, which has gone absolutely crazy over the last few days. As you guys can see, consistently hitting green candles, and in the last 24 hours itself it has gone up over 80% in value, which is absolutely insane. And as you guys can see, over the last couple of hours here it has gone for a major increase as well, and it's currently valued at this value here. So we're going to be going through what is next for Floki. Keeps on pumping. Is it time to sell it right now if you're on profit before it crashes back down, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And for the other side, if you guys have missed out on it, is it still time to buy the crypto? Is it too late? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially covering its prediction for the rest of 2024 from both short-term and long-term investors point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Floki, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, the only bad point to that is that there is a huge difference in value between the SMA indicator and the actual value of Floki, meaning the crypto may be overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip, which I will be going through later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. And yes, they are looking quite steep as well. That is due to the pump that's just taken place over the last hour or two. However, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours. In fact, I'm expecting the crypto to hit red candles in between. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should have gone for a little bit of a step back in value, trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to hit red candles towards this evening, and in the early hours of tomorrow dropping down at a lower value than where it is at the moment. It's not going to be a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, but it is just the fact that it has to go for a little bit of a dip and a price correction over the coming hours, especially after the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, we are looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction, exact same as the last chart that we saw. So this is again not realistic guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of next week, yes, I'm expecting Floki to have gone for a minimal increase in value. So to explain that in a little bit more detail, I am expecting the crypto to go for a little bit of a price correction early next week before it slowly starts to increase in value again by mid to end of next week guys, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So do expect quite a wave of green and red candles up and down, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. But again, it's not going to be a major pump or a bull run or anything like that. Nothing like that is predicted at the moment. So zooming into the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Again, we are looking way too steep guys, so this is again not realistic, as it's the exact same as the previous two charts that we saw. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last couple of weeks. However, I'm not expecting it to carry on pumping in that direction. Again, This prediction may shock some of you guys, but yes, I'm expecting the crypto to have dropped back down in value by late April and early May 2024. I'm expecting it to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is, right now the crypto is overvalued. Yes, I'm expecting it to pump up a little bit higher over the coming week. However, late March, early April is when it's going to start hitting red candles, dropping back down in value. And again, reason my predictions are such because, as you guys can see, over the last week itself it has gone up near about 300%, and wait for this, over the month 730%. Not even in the last month, over the last approximately 2 to 3 weeks, guys, it's done at least a good 650 to 700% increase, which is not sustainable, first of all, because it's done huge numbers within a short amount of time, and second of all, it is overvalued right now from my analysis that I have done. So I am expecting the crypto to be hitting more red candlesticks over the coming weeks, trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, and mainly going through a price correction. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, it's literally gone crazy, guys. It's broken out from the resistance targets without any resistance, especially today. He's pumped out from the blue zone into the dark green zone, into the top tier level without any resistance. So that in itself proves to me that the crypto is overvalued and not sustainable, and it is more than likely going to drop back down into the blue zone over the coming weeks, and potentially even lower than that over the coming weeks by April, May. So let me know your takes and your predictions on this crypto, especially, guys, there's a lot of people trading the crypto right now at a very risky time. As you guys can see, the volume's gone up 224%, making it $1.3 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Floki because it's pumped up so much. So yes, you're investing into it, but make sure your risk management is on point because it is at its highest level that it has potentially been at. Let's have a look. Well, back in 2021, yes, it did go crazy as well, but recently, guys, it's at its highest level, so it may be in for a little bit of a price correction, as I mentioned. But again, it's entirely up to you guys if you guys want to invest, sell, or hold the crypto. I'm just here to give you guys my predictions. Let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.